welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fabulous day. Thank you so much for coming back and watching a new video. If you are new, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you will not miss any future unboxings, haul videos, review videos, all kinds of fun stuff. And don't forget to enter our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Once you have subscribed, the link will be below to enter the contest. But as you can see from the description, I finally on September 4th received, cover my address, my August Peaches and Petals. So we're going to dive in here and see what we got this month and take a look. So, okay, they've got it taped up pretty good. And off the top of my head, I cannot, right at this moment, remember how much Peaches and Petals is. I will make sure to link everything down below for you guys, their website, the cost of the monthly subscription, and I believe there's a coupon floating around, so if there is, I will make sure to include that as well. But we're going to go ahead and dive into the August Peaches and Petals box in September. That's okay. So, when we open it, this is what we see. So let's see here. First thing I see is by Kiss My Face, Air Kiss Light Moisturizing Lotion, 2-in-1, moisturize and calm, absorbs in seconds, lightweight feel, aromatherapeutic, naturally nourishing antioxidants. This is in lavender and shea. It is apparently new, and it says air powered continuous spray. So it is a, let's see, it says get air kissed and go. Here's a new angle on moisturizing. Air powered spray to lightly kiss your skin, leaving it moisturized in seconds, and any angle for hard to reach places. Our calming formula has naturally nourishing antioxidants like rich lavender botanicals and shea butter. One kiss is all it takes to relax and moisturize your skin. And it is paraffin and phthalate free. No animal ingredients or testing. Okay. So there you go. There's that. That would be a good nighttime lotion with the lavender. And here we have Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Petunia. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. Very soft and glossy. Can you guys, just a little bit of color, but very, very pretty, very soft. I like that. I like Burt's Bees products, so yay for that. And then here we have a battery operated bubble light box. It says write your own message. Looks like it has some pins or some we're just gonna open it and take a look. Get it. Okay. Okay, so it looks like little dry erase markers, red, black, and blue. And then this is actually really cute. There's an on-off switch right here. Obviously I'll need to put batteries in it. But you guys, how cute would this be if I could figure out a way to put it back up there? and write and then have it lit up with what I'm unboxing. Peaches and Petals, August 2018. I like this. That is very cute. And finally we have, make sure we don't lose any green squigglies on the floor. This says, make each day your masterpiece. Your masterpiece. A coloring journal contains 120 lined pages plus 8 coloring pages. So, pretty teal on the inside. It looks like lined pages. Creativity takes courage, so you could color that. So it's a journal, and every now and then it has some coloring pages. Let's see if we find another one. Creativity makes the impossible possible. So that's cute. Cute little journal. So not bad. I'm pleased. We got the lotion. We got the tinted lip moisturizer from Burt's Bees. We got a cute, adorable little journal. And I'm actually really excited for this little bubble light that I think will be really cute. So that was Peaches and Petals for August 2018. It just was a little late in arriving, but that is okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, these are some pretty neat little things. I will make sure, like I said, to put the link to Peaches and Petals down in the description, as well as the cost of the box. And like I said, I think there's a coupon code floating around, so I will make sure if there is, that is included as well for you guys. So again, thank you for being here. Please, if you have not, do subscribe and make sure to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon.